It was the first day of youth hostel Munnar cycling expedition. We've just got ready and we're just having our morning breakfast. This is what we have. So we had a warm-up yesterday and also selection of bicycle and made sure that things are right. It's a hilly terrain. We are going to cover almost 40 kilometers, which was not as mentioned in the website. There is a bit of a change of plan. First we'll be going to the dam and then to the forest area. My adventure started at this National Adventure Academy located near Devakulam in Munnar, India. And the Youth Hostel Association of India organized it, where they arranged the stay and cycles. The first half of our journey was towards Munnar city and in the middle of the tea estate. Munnar is a beautiful place in India known for its tea estates. The Munnar tea estate is a big area covered with tea plants that stretch out as far as the eye can see. It's a peaceful place with fresh air and greenery all around. Many people enjoy cycling through the tea estate, riding their bikes all along narrow paths that wind through the tea plants. Cycling in the beautiful tea estate is a great way to explore the area. It's a refreshing and invigorating experience that allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of the surroundings. By the way, if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing to support my work. On reaching Munnar, we took a sharp right towards the water reservoir at Manaputty Dam. Sometimes I just stop for a while as it is more important to enjoy the journey than the rush to reach the destination. The view of the surrounding mountains is pictured more like a travel postcard full of green blanket covered all over the mountains. The roads are narrow and you'll have to be careful while riding your bike here, as people hardly stick to any kind of traffic rules. On the way you come across not just tea estate but also Nilgiri eucalyptus trees. We crossed the Manaputty Dam, which is a tourist place, and you can expect a crowd at this place. After a while of riding my bike all along the man-made lake, I took a short break to have my packed lunch. Our entire team took their own pace and covered the same path, and we made sure that all of us are within the visible range. It was a gradual climb in the middle of the estate till we reached Kundalay Dam. We continued cycling uphill again and took short breaks in between, as it was hard post-lunch to pedal uphill, even with all the gears that we had. We continued further till we reached the top station, which is another famous tourist attraction. We stayed in a hotel where we all had our dinner together. It was an amazing ride and a good place to stay at the end of the day. In the next video, I'll be covering the next house across the private golf course area. If you like this video, then smash that like button and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.